I'm taking video. No, I want you to stay with Carissa.
Wow.
Hi, Carissa.
Bill. Oh. Bill. Baby.
Kirsten, what do you like to do on Carissa's belly? Do you like to blow on her belly? You want to do it?
Yeah.
Go ahead, let me see you blow on her belly. Are you going to blow on her belly? Do it one more time. Lift her shirt up. Kirsten, are you nice to your baby sister?
Yeah.
Yes, you are. You love your baby sister. You give her a kiss? You give her a kiss?